welcome to another video tutorial by Softxaa. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and turn on the notification to never miss out any update.
Today we will discuss how to install WordPress manually using Softxaa HostPanel. Hi everyone, this is Shubham from Softxaa. Today I will guide you how you can install WordPress manually using Softxaa HostPanel. So further any delay, let's start the video. Firstly, we need to download the zip file of WordPress, and for that let's visit the WordPress official website. Just type in your search bar wordpress.org/download, hit enter. So from here we can download the latest version of WordPress file. Just click here, and as you can see, it started downloading. After downloading the WordPress file, you need to visit the host panel of Softxaa, and for that you can just search your website URL /hostpanel. In this case, I will type my web URL. It's 5webs.com/hostpanel. So you can input your credentials and log into HostPanel. So I have logged in the host panel section. From here, just scroll down, and from file section you will find the file manager. Click here. So from here we will double click this option, public_HTML, and from here we will upload our downloaded zip file. And now we will extract the zip file. Just click here and extract. So as you can see, a new folder, WordPress. Once the zip file is extracted, we can delete it. So to delete, just click here, and from here you can delete the zip file. Now we will double click in this folder and select all the files and click move. Now go back to public_HTML and paste all the files. Once it's done, now you can delete this empty folder. After completing these steps, we need to set up our MySQL database for WordPress. So from this option, jump to page, we will select MySQL database, and from here we will set up a new database. Just give it a name. In this case, I will name it as 5webs. I will also name this section as 5webs. From password section, it's automatically generated. I will remove this and use my own password. Just repeat here. And From here you can submit it. So you have created a separate database for your WordPress. Now open a new tab and type your website URL /wp-admin and /index.php. In this case, I will type my website URL. It's 5webs.com /wp-admin /index.php. Hit enter. So from here, select the language English and click continue. From here, click let's go. So in this section, you need to input the database name, username and password. For that, we will open our previous tab and copy the database name and paste it. Now input the password for our separate database. And click here submit. Alright, you are good to go. Just click here run the installation. So from here you need to input your site title for WordPress. I will type my website name and the username for WordPress and the automated generated password. I will remove it and I will create my own password. And input your email. I will use this email account. Now click here install WordPress and you have successfully installed the WordPress. Just log in from here. So from here use your username and password for WordPress. In this case my username is 5admin and password. Click here to log in. So as you can see, we have successfully installed WordPress manually. So, congratulations guys, you have successfully installed WordPress manually using Softxaa HostPanel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Stay tuned for more tutorials, tips and tricks. See you in the next video.